Prynawn da pawb, Paul Dwi'n dod o Lithuania. As I speak, I'm entering the penultimate week of teacher training, and I've enjoyed a really successful year here at Bangor University, which has actually led me to being offered a job at one of the schools that I was on placement at. And I believe this is a testament to the quality of the lectures and the tutors that made the experiences so enjoyable yet educational. Before I started the PGC course in September, I had no experience whatsoever of speaking Welsh, and initially, and quite honestly, I was intimidated by the weird words and the strange sounds like which I thought were going to be impossible for me to learn. But the experiences at Bangor University have supported my learning of Welsh. We had to complete a portfolio which focused on the reading, listening, the writing of Welsh, and whilst they were difficult, they gave us a certain amount of freedom which allowed us to express our development in creative ways, which I really enjoyed. But by far the best experience was the Conklin Experience. It's an outdoor activity centre where we arrived there as a whole cohort for 2 days. Here we learned the history, the song, the dance of Wales. Additionally, we also interacted with Welsh, with people who spoke Welsh fluently. We took part in a variety of problem-solving tasks and social gatherings, which helped us to develop our understanding and appreciation for Wales as a whole country. And this has shaped my views that I believe that upcoming generation need to learn Welsh, as it creates a greater sense of identity and patriotism. Not to mention the benefits that bilingualism can give you as far as cognitive ability and the job opportunities that come up because you're bilingual. And what I did with these experiences, I took them to my placement, and I integrated use of Welsh within my own lessons. And actually, the pupils were pleasantly surprised that I used Welsh in my lessons, as they knew I wasn't from Wales. So a normal day in my lesson, I would greet the pupils as they come in. I would say "Sut wyt ti," "Prynawn da," "Bore da," ask them how they're doing, "Iawn." I would start my questions in Welsh, "Pam," "Beth." I'd use colours, "Gwyrdd," "Coch," "Melon," "Glass," and delegating bibs. I would praise the pupil, "Da iawn," "Gwaith da." I would also make different instructions, like counting down from 5, pump, pedwar, 3, 2, 1, and expect them to be in front of me. Ask them to be quiet, dim siarad. I believe that by the end of my placement, I really normalized the use of Welsh within my lessons, which I feel really proud about. As at beginning in September, I thought that was going to be an impossible task. But I could have not done it without the language mentors in the Lead School days. They provided us with sessions that gave us the practical application of Welsh, which were easy to integrate within our own lessons. And yeah, so finally, I believe that the use of Welsh is a national treasure, and in the future I will use as much Welsh as I can within my own lessons, so Wales can reach its goal of 1 million Welsh speakers by 2050. So yeah, that summarizes my experience and the use of Welsh on my placement. Diolch yn fawr, iawn.